I enter this day with a grateful heart and an open mind. I know this day is filled with opportunity to see the best in myself and others, and I flow easily with all events that come my way. I align myself with growth, joy and freedom, and I know I am worthy of love and happiness. So I treat myself with kindness, making good choices for my mental, emotional and physical health.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am on my way to go to the doctor's office. Especially right this too. Yeah. So guys, I actually just reached the plaza. My appointment is at 2 and it's actually 2 o'clock now, so I'm actually not reached late because I stopped and buy food. So yeah. I'm currently home and I unpacked my drawers and I'm currently like organizing my clothes and so yeah. So yeah. I'm not gonna show you when I'm doing all of these, probably tomorrow morning, because I have a lot of other stuff to do, like the bed full of clothes. Like I not even know when I'm gonna finish organize them here, but I will for sure. So yeah. Good morning guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is actually Saturday and I'm currently cleaning. I'm a whole mess right now because my hair needs to be washed. I'm gonna need to bathe and all of that, but so far since I've woken up, I've just been cleaning. I started yesterday. As you can see in the previous clip, I was packing my drawers, finished to all of that, but now I am organizing back there. So yeah, I'm also watching Stranger Things because guys, the new season come out and so far so good as expected. So yeah. So guys, I just got an order, so I have to scratch how the day are gonna turn out, you know, because we need to go in the town now. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna get for clean. When I even finish clean, just some 1 and 2 stuff left to come off of my bed and just spread and wipe and sweep and all of that. But yeah, you see my ear scratch, my ear want to wash. So guys, I'm just filling my eyes right here because I had a delivery, so plus I had my prescription to fill. So yeah, this is what I was actually doing right now in the pharmacy. So yeah, continue watching the full video. Guys, I'm actually in here to fill my prescription, but I just fill my eye at the same time. So guys, I'm now at Knoxford doing a delivery. Yeah. I'm back home. I'm about to go get something to eat. But I bought something on the road to eat. So I'm gonna have that right now, and then later from this I'll see where, because I just have a little, not too much chores left to be done, but yeah, I said I would update you guys on that. So here I am. So I'm having chicken, black bean, and sweet and sour with some curried rice. Good morning, guys. It is currently Sunday, and the difference, I cleaned my room. Well, I am currently cleaning my room. I'm going to sweep and wipe now. I was washing. I have my ear wash same way, and yeah, so basically just like I get it going, sweep out and all of that. So yeah. Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This must say, most people after I'm ready for go white. So I'm gonna look on the sheets, you know, cause early in the morning I wake up and swear it, you know. The sheet turn wrong side. So I have to do it over. I'm play my song while I do this, cause it's a whole vibe. People go after your dreams, not people. Period. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes on to me, there's this peace that I get whenever I clean my room. Like, no, I just feel lighter. I feel better. Like, it changes the mood of the place. Like, it always happens for me. So I'm going to just be placing stuff. Got a notification. I'm just going to be placing back stuff where they're supposed to be right now, and then after I do that, I'm going to wash my hair and bathe and look like somebody picked me. Yeah. So and I forgot to pick up the clothes them off of the line now. So yeah, I don't know if I'm supposed to end this vlog right here, but if I'm going to end it, I'm going to come on back on camera and just do it. But for now, I'm going to go and pick up my clothes off the line. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please to do so now, because well, they are not subscribed. And go follow my business page at boss_bags_by-meats, and also my personal page at Yanieki underscore, and TikTok Yanieki. I'm very inconsistent over there, but you know, you can still go over there and watch the videos that I've already done there and so forth. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back again. So I just ate my dinner, and I'm going to end the vlog right here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm singing on the comment as many times as you want. Bye.